check it for you. We have Desha, we have Ruchi, and we have one more person. Maybe he had joined the company name Lenovo Vibe. So, guys, please mute the speaker, Desha. And what is your name, sir? So we joined with the name of the company Lenovo Vibe. It's his mobile name is coming, I guess, the model name. Yes, yes. Guys, mute the speaker, and I would like to introduce first. My name is Akhilesh. I am from Gurgaon. We are a part of CX and development team. Okay, let these guys join. So just to, so you check your network and what is your name also? Your name. All right. Rima, all set? You good? Okay, Rima, we can start. Hi, guys. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Akhilesh. I'm from CXRR Gurgaon. I'm from Training and Development team. We at CXRR train the people on communication, and we provide coaching on communication, English speaking classes, soft skills, voice and accent, public speaking from Gurgaon on online platform. And we are based out of Gurgaon, Sector 18, Uddog Bihar. And I have with me Reema Das. She is your trainer today, and she will be helping you about how to improve the communication. One small request to all of you to mute the speaker when you're not speaking, and when you're speaking, you can unmute it and choose a place wherein there is no noise and video on. You can turn on the video of the camera. Okay. I'm just muting Disha and Roja Nayak. Guys, I'm just muting yourself. When your turn comes, you need to speak and turn on your video mode. And if you have a decent background, and you can turn on the video mode and choose a place where you can sit properly and talk. All right. So today, Reema Das is with us. She is your trainer of the day. She is IELTS expert, and she is a corporate trainer also. She has a more than 10 years experience in the training and development. She will be helping you today how to improve the communication, how you can, crack the interviews, how you should talk to new people, how you should interact in English, how you can improve your communication. All right. So let's go ahead. All right, Reema, all yours.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Reema, and I'll be taking the session today. So I'll start with brief introduction from you all one by one. Okay. So I'll just a second. Yeah. So I'll ask you to give your introduction, okay, and tell me what is the difficulty which you face with this particular language. Okay. Right. We'll start with Disha. I can see Disha on my screen. Hi, Disha. Good evening.
Guys, please turn on the camera also. Ask them, Reema, to turn on the camera as well.
Yes, yes. Okay. Disha, please unmute yourself first. Yes, yes, Disha.
Hello.
Yes, hi, Disha. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Great. Disha, please introduce yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
My name is Dasha Agarwal, and I am pursuing graduation from Umesh Chandra College in second year. Now I'm in second year.
Right. Disha, I can't hear you. Hello?
Hello.
Disha? Okay, rest of the people, can you please mute yourself?
Yes.
So, Galaxy J6, Lenovo
Rochak.
Y5.
Yeah, let me just inform him. His name is Rochak.
Akhilesh, can you mute them from your side?
Yeah, I'm just trying.
Okay, Disha, are you there?
Rochak, you can mute the speaker, please. Yeah, go ahead, Disha. Disha, अपने बारे में बताओ आप please speak. Tell us about yourself, your name, your education, your experience, about your family background, your strength, and something about your city. Tell us something about yourself.
I
I'm
think she's
Disha
facing some
Agarwal.
internet.
Now I
Yeah,
am in
Disha.
college.
Okay. Go ahead,
Where are you
please.
from,
Pursuing my
Disha?
graduation from Umesh. I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay, great. And you are pursuing your graduation, right? Which stream,
Yes.
Disha?
Commerce, BCom.
Commerce. Okay. Okay. Tell me about your strengths. Talk about your likings, hobbies.
I like to listen, singing. I like singing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What else?
And I want to be an air hostess,
All right.
for which English communication is very, very much needed. So
Yes.
I want
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, Disha. Disha.
Hello.
Yes. Disha, your voice is not clear.
Disha, please check the network connectivity at your end. It should be make sure you have a good network. Rima, you can move ahead till then.
Yes. So I'll talk with Roja Nayak. Hi, Roja. Good evening. Roja, first unmute yourself, please.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Roja. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. You, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So please talk about yourself a little bit. Give us a brief introduction.
Yes. My name is Roja Naik, and I stay at Viliparle East in Mumbai. Currently, I'm working as a project coordinator in one company. That name is Meko Architecture Company. And my age is now 27 year completed. 28 is running. And side by side, I'm doing for the aerospace jobs too. I'm applying for that. Because of the communication problem, I'm not able to go into take job.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Right. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are grooming myself, wearing new saris, and cooking, and listening to music.
Okay. That's nice.
Improving
So talk
communication
about your
skills through my.
problem.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Roja, can you tell me what is the problem with this language? Exactly what difficulties which you face?
Difficulties which I'm going to face means I have this some problem in my communication. Which word I am not able to find out, which word I have to tell to that person off at the front of people. So that is
Mm-hmm.
the don't have the a little bit confident I'm losing if I'm going to interview at outside or for the cabin crew. You can tell me these things also. So
Okay.
I don't have that much of confidence because of that my communication problem.
Mhm.
So I want to improve that.
On a daily basis, do you speak in English in your office or in your
Yes, yes,
house
yes.
or something?
Yes, yes, yes. In daily basis, I'm trying to speak in English only, even with my
Okay.
family. Yes,
With your family, which is very nice. Great. Okay,
yes.
Roja. What about your studies? Did you study in English medium or other medium?
I studied in Hindi medium only.
Hindi
Uh,
medium.
yes. After 10th, I took the admission in English medium only.
Okay, okay, right.
Yes,
So I can see, Roja, you're making a little bit of grammar mistakes, okay? And of
yes,
course, there is some problem with your confidence and your sentence formation specifically, okay?
yes,
So we'll definitely try to help you with that, okay? Let me just finish the introductions from other participants as well, okay? Please
yes,
be online.
yes.
Right. So let's talk to Rochak. Hi, Rochak, are you there? Rochak, can you hear me? All right, moving on to Ruchi. Hi, Ruchi. Ruchi, can you please unmute yourself? Ruchi? Ruchi Kanodia? Yes. Ruchi, please unmute karo. Hi Ruchi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Very nice. Ruchi, please talk about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Ruchika Mitra. I belong to district Hardoi. I have done 10 plus 2 at pursuing basic here.
You're pursuing BSc.
Yeah.
First year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Where are you from?
Uh, uh,
Where are you from, Ruchi?
I'm from in UP.
UP. Okay, right. Who all are there in your family?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Who all are there in your family?
Um, my father's, mother's, and 5 sisters.
Okay. And do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and writing, reading books,
Okay.
a lot of
Singing, writing, reading books. That's your hobby. Okay. Which was the last book you read?
जी मैम
Which was the last book? Last कौन सी book पढ़ी है आपने?
सॉरी
No problem, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So, Ruchi, okay, all right. Ruchi, मुझे बताओ, what is the problem which you face with English language? English के साथ क्या problem है? Difficulty क्या वहाँ पे आती है?
actually I have done 10 plus 2 Hindi medium and
ठीक है. So, English सीखना है. आगे क्या करना चाहते हो?
air hostel. I want to be air hostess.
Okay. So, first thing I want to correct one thing. Whenever you say कि मेरे family में ये लोग हैं, so you said I have my fathers, mothers, and sisters, right? So you can't have fathers and mothers. You have only one father and only one mother, right? So you have to say I have father, mother, or you say I have my parents and my 5 sisters, right? That is how you have to answer. And if you want to become an air hostess, Ruchi, English is must have. Not only for air hostess, but also for each and every profession today, right? English is the must have thing. If you can speak in English, then your opportunities or your chances of getting a better job increases. Okay? And because you have studied in Hindi medium, you have to study English from a very beginning. Okay? Basic se start karna padega bilkul, because I can see you are very much underconfident when you speak in English. You are not able to form your sentences. You are making a lot of grammatical errors as well, right? So you have to start from very beginning, जिसमें grammar से start करना पड़ेगा, and then धीरे धीरे आपको step by step चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी. Okay, right. Thank you so much, Ruchi. Please be online. Let me finish the introduction. So I like to talk to Swagat. Swagat, hi. Hi there. Hi, Swagat. Swagat,
Swagat.
unmute karo.
So please unmute and yep.
Yes. Hi, Swagat.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I am absolutely fine. And what's about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So, Swagat, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Swagat Dete. I am from Mumbai, and I have done my
Swagat, can you sit somewhere? Okay, yeah, continue.
Yeah, ma'am. I am from Mumbai and I have done my 12th from Mumbai University and I have also completed my graduation from Mumbai University in
Okay.
BCom.
Okay. What do you do currently?
Nothing.
Okay. So you are not working anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What are your future plans?
Doing work in corporate sector.
You want to work in corporate sector? Okay. Are you trying somewhere? Are you trying for jobs?
My last semester is pending due to the COVID-19. So I'm hoping that exam will be conducted in next month. So after that, I'll decide it.
Okay. Right. So Swagat, who all are there in your family?
Uh, I am having my four members in my family, including me, my mother, father, my young older sister, and me.
Okay. Great. So what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
And talking about my hobbies is going long drive and listening music and dance.
Listening music and dance. Okay. That's great. And what are the difficulties which you face with this language?
And whenever I am okay, that is-
Swagat, I'm not able to hear you.
hello.
Hello. Yes, Swagat.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Swagat. I think there's some internet issue, Swagat, from your end. Your voice is cracking. I can't hear you properly. Okay, no problem, Swagat. Be online. We will try to definitely help you. Right? Who else is
We,
left
we
for the
have one
introduction?
person with the mobile phone model is coming, Galaxy J6. What is your name, sir? Please come on the screen and introduce yourself and let us know
Yeah,
your
my name
name
is
also.
Anshuman Singh.
What is your name?
Anshuman Singh.
Okay, Ansuman. Go ahead, Ansuman.
Anshuman, can you switch on your video mode? Is it
Yeah,
possible?
ma'am, I am video mall. They have the no electricity that time, ma'am, because I
Okay,
was
okay.
come.
No worries.
Got
No
it. No
worries,
problem.
Anshuman. So please introduce yourself.
Myself is Anshuman Singh Athawat. I am pursuing the BCom in the Rajasthan University and non-collegiate, and I am a training of Taj Jamal Palace at the ST Wedding, and I have a future plan of some hotelier person also.
Okay, don't rush so much. Anshuman, speak slowly.
Okay, my name is Anshuman Singh Athawat,
Yes.
and I have BCom pursuing in the Rajasthan University, the non-collegiate,
Hmm.
and
That
I am training in the Taj Jamal Palace.
Okay, you're working with Taj.
training. He's a trainee.
हेलो या अंशुमन अनम्यूट कर लो अपने आप को प्लीज म्यूट हो गया है
Internship probably still saying trainee in Taj. Ansuman, एक बार unmute करो. I heard that you're from Rajasthan. You're doing some internship as a trainee, and don't be in rush. Your rate of speech is very high. Be little slow. You are
Okay, sir.
doing some graduation in any university. Okay, so go now.
Uh,
Introduce yourself once again to Rima.
okay.
yes
Myself is
so
Anshuman.
I heard that you completed your graduation and you are working as an intern with Taj, right? You are
Yeah,
into
ma'am.
hospitality.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So Anshuman, talk about your family a little bit, about your hobbies.
My two of the four members in my family also. They have a mother. I have to a housewife. My father is some server also. Then in the some as a guard. And my school sister to playing preparing the 12th examination also that time. And we have to enjoy the first year university also.
Okay, what is the difficulty which you face with this language, Anshuman?
Yeah, ma'am.
डिफिकल्टी प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है इस लैंग्वेज के साथ?
मैम प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ नहीं आती मैम इंटरव्यूज फेस नहीं कर पाता मैम ढंग से मैम मतलब इंटरव्यूज देने जाता हूँ तो मैं इंटरव्यूज में सेलेक्ट नहीं कर पाता कोई
इंटरव्यूज क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हो?
हाँ जी
ऑलराइट. ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, अच्छा आपकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी में काम मतलब किस चीज का काम अभी सीख रहे हो आप? इंटर्नशिप किस चीज पे कर रहे हो?
मैम स्टीवर्डिंग पे
किसमें?
स्टीवर्ड्स में मैम सर्विंग में
स्टीवर्ड्स. ओके, ऑलराइट. ओके. So does that require a lot of customer interaction?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So for that you need to have very clear speech. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
English is not about fluency जिसको हम कहते हैं ना, fluency
Yeah.
is not about speaking fast English.
Okay.
ये बहुत ही बड़ी रॉन्ग मिसकंसेप्शन है. लोगों को लगता है कि जल्दी जल्दी इंग्लिश बोलना ही मतलब फ्लुएंसी है. इट इज नॉट दैट. फ्लुएंसी इज बेसिकली आप इंग्लिश जो बोल रहे हो, whether it is properly, you know, are you able to properly communicate what you want to say to the other person, and whether the other person is able to understand, right? So उसके लिए you have to maintain a normal basic neutral एक you know pace maintain करना है. जल्दी
Okay.
जल्दी नहीं बोलना है, क्योंकि जब आपने इनिशियली बोलना स्टार्ट किया, I could not understand a single word what you're saying,
Okay, ma'am.
right? ऐसा लगता है कि आप रट्टा मार के आए हो और उसी को एक बारी में आपने बोल के एक सांस में खत्म कर दिया. ऐसे आपको
ठीक है.
कभी भी इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके.
ठीक है.
English has to come very naturally, and you don't have to speak in accent, you don't have to run, you know, like
Okay.
fast pace में बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay.
ठीक है.
All right. Thank you so much, Anshuman. So please stay on call now. I hope सबका introduction हो गया है, right? Okay. So basically, everyone, you know, spoke about their problems with this language, and these are very common problems. Everyone faces this kind of problem. Now, in today's time, we all know that how much important English is, right? In every field, even if we are not working, still हमारे लिए English बोलना बहुत ही important है, because आज की date में if you go out anywhere, in a mall, in a restaurant, right? People usually talk in English, right? And you have to just match up with them. That will actually make you feel happy, है ना? So इसीलिए कोई भी प्रोफेशन हो, चाहे वो एयर होस्टेस बनना है, या आप होटल इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो, या you are working in any corporate industry, for your future promotions, for future growth and recognition, you need to have English. Now the common problems which you guys told me is, first thing I can see, lack of confidence. Okay, a lot of people hesitate while they speak. Lot of hesitation, lot of nervousness, lot of thinking is going on in your head कि मैं इस सवाल का आंसर दूं क्या, right? तो एक ये प्रॉब्लम है, hesitation and lack of confidence. ये क्यों होती है? कभी किसी ने सोचा है मुझे hesitation क्यों है, मेरे अंदर confidence आता क्यों नहीं है? नहीं सोचा दिशा? कभी भी नहीं सोचा? Okay, so yes, okay, so lack of confidence क्यों होता है? First of all, अगर हमारे पास knowledge नहीं है, if you don't have the correct knowledge, if you don't know what to speak, what phrases, what words, तब obviously हमारा confidence down हो जाएगा, right? So knowledge brings confidence. तो अगर आप knowledge लोगे, आप लोग पढ़ाई करते हो, graduation करते हो, तभी जाके एक field में आपको मतलब पता चलता है ना कि मुझे ये काम करना है. Similarly, it is with the English, right? Second problem is with vocabulary, as Roja said कि words क्या बोलने हैं नहीं समझ आ रहा है ना? So words क्या हैं? Words is not a, there is no list in English कि आपको कोई list of words दे दे और बोले कि ये पढ़ लो and you will be able to, you know, master your English. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So in order to understand the vocabulary is present everywhere. Do you guys watch English movies? Do you guys listen to English music? कौन करता है? Disha, you read English books, right? Books पढ़ते हो आप? So vocabulary तो उसके अंदर भी है, but problem क्या है? We don't observe that. हम उसको learning की तरह नहीं लेते हैं, हम सिर्फ उसको read करके छोड़ देते हैं, उसका मतलब समझ लेते हैं बस, line क्या बोलना चाहता है. पर हमने कभी ये ध्यान नहीं दिया कि इसमें से भी हम हर जगह से हम vocabulary ले सकते हैं. If you watch a single English movie, you will find 100 words from that particular movie. If you listen to an English song, आपको 10-15 words वहां से मिल जाएंगे, right? Every day on daily basis अगर आप travel करते हो, road पे देखो, metro के अंदर देखो, हर जगह पे English में advertisements है, right? Have you ever tried to read those advertisement and understand कि अच्छा ये क्या लिखा हुआ है, इसमें जो ये word है ये मेरे को नहीं पता, let me search it, right? We don't do that, and then we say हमारी English weak है. So in order to improve something, we have to work on that, right? So there is, of course, you need one person or one platform who can give you the knowledge, because सबसे पहली चीज है knowledge. आपके पास knowledge होनी चाहिए. Second thing is self learning. ठीक है? Knowledge जब मिल जाती है, उसके बाद उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए self learning बहुत important है. And language is one thing. कोई भी language हो, हिंदी, English, पंजाबी, कोई भी language हो, सेल्फ लर्निंग करनी बहुत जरूरी होती है, राइट? द अदर प्रॉब्लम इज विद द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंसिएशंस, राइट? उससे भी लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आता है जब आपको खुद पता भी होता है कि मैं जो चीज बोल रही हूँ शायद उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, तो आप बोलते बोलते रुक जाते हो, एंड जहां पे आप रुक गए योर कॉन्फिडेंस गोज डाउन, राइट? So what do you need, what do you want to do to improve this? And the major problem, major lack जो हमारे आज की डेट में हमको है, क्यों हम इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाते हैं, and why English is so difficult for us, is because we don't have the environment, right? Do you know what is environment? So a place on a daily basis, how much English do you all speak? Very less, only when it is required, right? अगर इंटरव्यू देना है, बॉस के साथ बात करनी है, किसी क्लाइंट के साथ जरूरी बात करनी ही करनी है, तब हम इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं. अदरवाइज वी अवॉइड पीपल हु स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, राइट? और इवन द पर्सन हु इज स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, वी ट्राई टू गिव आंसर इन आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, राइट? वी रन अवे फ्रॉम इंग्लिश. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर हैविंग लैक ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, राइट? नाउ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म CX Hirer आपको environment भी दे रहा है, plus it is also giving you an opportunity to learn, okay? Opportunity to gain the knowledge. Now as I said, a lot of people I can see they are from beginners level, जिनकी sentence formations बहुत खराब है, जिनका grammatical error बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, right? So ये सारी चीजें सीखने के लिए you have to go through the basics of grammar. हम सब ने nouns pronouns पढ़े, right? याद है? Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverbs, किसको याद है? Tenses, no one? याद है? Okay. So what we do is we have learned all these things, we have studied, because बचपन से हमें पढ़ाया तो जाता है ना स्कूल में. We learn all these things, but बड़े होते होते हमारा ये जो ग्रामर इंग्लिश, क्योंकि हमारा एनवायरनमेंट नहीं था, वी आर नॉट इन टच विद दिस पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट इन प्रैक्टिस. एंड व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन प्रैक्टिस, definitely you will face hesitation, you will have nervousness, you will be fearful of this language, you will not be able to speak, okay? So what you need to do first thing is that you need to get back into practice. How will you get back into practice? Is by daily speaking in English, writing in English, reading in English, right? Everything, whatever you do, you have to do it in English, okay? So when I say whatever you do, you have to do it in English, that means thinking in English also. Even if you are not writing, you are just standing, okay? For example, you are standing at a shop in a queue and you are waiting for your like your turn, कि आपके कब टर्न आए और आप कब चीजें खरीदो. तो वहां पे खड़े खड़े आपके आसपास जो भी चीजें हो रही है, try to translate that in English. एक एक करके sentences बनाओ कि I am standing in a line, I want to buy groceries, okay? There are 4 people in front of me, there are 10 people behind me, right? So now in that shop there are many things, we can buy groceries, we can buy vegetables, we can buy fruits as well. ऐसे करके अगर आप एक एक सेंटेंस अपने दिमाग में ट्रांसलेट करोगे तो आपका एनवायरनमेंट खुद ब खुद बनने लग जाएगा, ओके? पर इसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस में आना है पहले, ऑल ऑफ यू, ओके? सो हम क्या करेंगे, what do we do? We are the provider of this particular, you know, skill basically. So English learning is a skill and you need a lot of patience and you need a lot of practice. English is not something which you can learn in 10 days, 5 days or 30 days. You have to go through from the very beginning, and जितना आप उसमें मेहनत करते हो, आपकी मेहनत पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपने कितनी प्रैक्टिस करी है, उसी पे डिपेंड करेगा कि आप कितनी जल्दी इंग्लिश सीख जाते हो. जो सीखने वाले होते हैं वो 30 days में भी सीख जाएंगे, okay? But minimum you have to give 2 to 3 months to learn, because as per your all your you know level, I think that you all belong to the beginners level, because learning English is divided into levels. ठीक है? Beginners होते हैं, upper intermediate होते हैं, intermediate होते हैं, then advanced level रहता है, right? So English सीखने के लिए 2-3 चीजें हैं जो हमारे दिमाग में एक वहम बैठा हुआ है, ठीक है? हमें लगता है कि इंग्लिश सीखना, स्पोकन इंग्लिश इज बेसिकली ओनली स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग राइटिंग लिसनिंग से कोई मतलब नहीं है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. Any language requires all the 4 skills: reading, listening, writing and speaking, okay? Reading say what you will gain, you will get a lot of knowledge, you will come across a lot of vocabulary, different words, different phrases, okay? Listening will improve your listening power, because whenever you speak to someone, it's a conversation, right? Not every time you are just alone speaking a monologue or something. You will have to communicate with someone, and for that it is very important that सामने वाला बंदा क्या बोल रहा है वो आपको प्रॉपरली क्लियरली इंग्लिश में समझ आए, देन ओनली यू कैन गिव अ लॉजिकल आंसर, राइट? सो लिसनिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव करने के लिए यू हैव टू लिसन एंड ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली व्हाट द पर्सन इज सेइंग. Suppose I am speaking right now. You can pick up 2-3 words from my speech as well. If you are very much observant right now, very much carefully and focusfully listening to me, then you can definitely pick up 2-3 words from my speech as well. Okay? Then comes writing. Now, if you write, writing लोगों को लगता है कि writing करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, मेरे को तो speaking सीखनी है. But unless and until you can pen down your thoughts in a paper, तब तक आप बोल नहीं पाओगे उसको, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में वो हौच पौच होता रहेगा. ऐसा बहुत बार ही होता है ना कि जब आप किसी से बात करने जाते हो, आपके दिमाग में 10 डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस चल रहे होते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उस हौच पौच के चक्कर में आप बोल ही नहीं पाते हो कि आपको एग्जैक्टली बोलना क्या था, एंड यू फंबल, यू हेजिटेट, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू थिंक दैट मेरी इंग्लिश खराब है. ओके, बट टू स्टॉप दैट हौच पौच इन द ब्रेन, इफ यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग थिंग्स डाउन. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको एक टॉपिक मिलता है ऑन अ डेली बेसिस का कि ओके टेल मी योर डेली रूटीन, व्हाट डू यू डू in a daily life, normal daily life. अगर मैं अभी आपसे पूछूं, how many of you will be able to tell me at a stretch कि सुबह से लेकर रात तक आप क्या करते हो? बीच में फंबल होगा जरूर. ओके, but write it down. You will see that आपकी जब आप लिख के बोलोगे ना, उसमें ज्यादा efforts लगते हैं और उसमें ज्यादा clarity भी आएगी. Okay, so writing is definitely important. Now the last part is speaking, which is the most important part. स्पीकिंग करने के लिए सिर्फ दिमाग में याद कर लेना और दिमाग में रहना कि मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, इट विल नॉट वर्क फॉर यू. स्पीकिंग करने के लिए यू हैव टू ओपन योर माउथ एंड स्पीक एवरी डे, every single day starting from today. Okay, whatever you think, whatever you want to say, whatever thoughts are there in your mind, you have to open your mouth and speak. Pronunciations clear करने के लिए भी सिर्फ आप अगर आप गूगल पे जाके pronunciation सुन लोगे और फिर सोचोगे हाँ अब मुझे पता है subsequently कैसे बोलना है, मुझे पता है consequently कैसे बोलना है, पर जब आप बोलने लगोगे ना you will definitely fumble because you are not in practice. You have not practiced yourself of, you know, that word should sit on your mouth. That is how your speaking improves. दिमाग में जो word है वो आपके मुंह तक कई बार नहीं आता है, आपकी जबान तक नहीं आता है और आप नहीं बोल पाते हो. Okay, so we not only focus on the speaking part but we also focus on a 360-degree program, right? जहाँ पे we will train you on the daily basic spoken English, right? Basic normal spoken English for beginners level, how to speak to people, how to greet someone, okay? Spontaneously हम कैसे answer कर सकते हैं in any kind of situation, right? And in our sessions, you will be in a group, okay? There will be like 6 to 7 people who will be there in a group, and that will give you the environment to speak, because not only you are talking to the trainer, or not only the trainer is only asking you questions and all, but you will also do a lot of role plays, a lot of group, group discussion sessions, debates, and 1-minute talks and so on, right? So when you do this on a daily basis, you will definitely improve, because the thing which you can't do in your normal life, you can do it in the classes. Classes इसलिए होती है ना ताकि जो चीज आप घर पे practice नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि of course we can't talk to our parents. Most of us can't talk in English with our parents. Our friends don't encourage us to speak in English. Okay, they say कि यार जिसमें हम comfortable है हम उसी में बात करेंगे, right? So comfortable से बात ये आती है कि English सीखने में इतनी delay क्यों हो जाती है? Why are we so afraid? Because we don't want to come out of our comfort zone, right? हमने एक comfort zone बना लिया अपने आसपास, हमें पता है कि हमें हिंदी आती है, मराठी आती है, बंगाली आती है, हम उसी में ही बात करेंगे. Okay, but unless and until you step out of your comfort zone, you will not be able to learn any kind of thing, anything. Do you think these famous cricketers, ये एक दिन में cricketer बन जाते हैं? All these famous writers, actors, क्या करते हैं ये लोग? ये लोग practice करते हैं, ये लोग training लेते हैं, ये लोग उसको daily same चीज को बार बार करते हैं, तब जाके perfection बनती है, right? Take a simple example of cooking. People who cook, the ladies here, right? Even the guys can cook, right? So जो ladies हैं अगर वो cooking करती है, क्या आप पहली बारी में अच्छा खाना बना पाते हो? नहीं, right? So you have to practice. कई बारी salt ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, sugar कम हो जाएगा, कोई मसाला ज़्यादा हो गया, तो क्या उससे आप cooking छोड़ देते हो? गलतियां करने से क्या आप cooking छोड़ दोगे? नहीं, right? You will practice, you will change the things. जो भी गलतियां हुई थी उसको repeat नहीं करोगे, उसमें थोड़ी अलग-अलग चीजें मिला के experiment करोगे, तभी जाके सीख पाओगे, right? Same thing you have to do it with English. Okay. So on a daily basis in the classes, if you are given a worksheet, for example, grammar की बहुत सारी worksheets होती हैं. हमारी normal tendency क्या कहती है? मैम ने हमें fill in the blanks करने को दिया है. इसमें हमें a, an और the भरना है. तो हम भर के दे देते हैं. सारे answers correct है. Very good. But what did you do with that worksheet? Didn't you observe that that worksheet has a lot of sentences, right? उसमें एक एक fill in the blank तो आपने भर लिया, पर क्या आपने sentences के ऊपर ध्यान दिया? वो sentences आपकी daily life में काम आ सकते हैं. उसी को आप तोड़ मरोड़ के थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट करके इधर उधर ऐड करके एडजस्ट करके एक पूरी सेंटेंस आपकी बन सकती है एंड यू कैन इजीली स्पीक, राइट? सो इट totally depends on the observation power. To learn a language you need to have a good observation power, okay? And that will be practiced in the sessions which we provide you, okay? Right? Apart from that, you also get a VNA session. VNA is voice and accent. So basically, like I was talking to Anshuman, when Anshuman started, he just like took off like a metro rail, right? एकदम fast. So fast नहीं बोलना है. आपको इतना समझना है कि when you speak, you have to maintain some neutral, pace, and you have to give some pauses in order to logically, properly make the other person understand that what you actually want to convey, right? Do you notice how I am speaking to you all? I'm speaking very slow and I'm taking pauses, right? And are you all able to understand what I'm saying, right? So that is the thing which you need to practice in your speech, okay? Not अब English सीखने के लिए आपको सिर्फ ग्रामर नहीं सीखनी है. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि ग्रामर और रीडिंग करने से इंग्लिश आ जाएगी, राइट? बट आपको उसमें डेली चीजें लानी है. मतलब डेली बेसिस में आप क्या क्या सिचुएशन फेस करते हो. आप किसी से मिलते हो तो आपको ग्रीटिंग करनी पड़ती है. सो यू शुड नो हाउ यू शुड ग्रीट, राइट? हाय, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. व्हाट अबाउट यू? हाउ हैव यू बीन? व्हाट अबाउट योर फैमिली, राइट? एंड देन वंस यू डू द ग्रीटिंग, यू हैव टू टेक फॉरवर्ड द कम्युनिकेशन और द कन्वर्सेशन. बहुत बारी होता है हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू करके हम चुप हो जाते हैं. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन इन पीपल, ओके? दे डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, हाउ टू डू एन ओपन एंडेड कन्वर्सेशन, राइट? सो वी टीच यू दैट इन द क्लासेस. ओपन एंडेड कन्वर्सेशन कहते किसे हैं? तो किसी को पता है ओपन एंडेड कन्वर्सेशंस क्या होती हैं? नो, कोई आइडिया नहीं है? ओके. सो कभी भी अगर आप किसी से मिलते हो, सपोज आप पार्टी में मिले किसी से, ओके, एंड वो आपका बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड नहीं है, बट यू नो दैट पर्सन, यू नो बाय फेस, बाय नेम, एंड सपोज यू हैव टू टॉक टू. आप दोनों पार्टी की तरफ देख रहे हो, आपस में खड़े हो, पर एक दूसरे से कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज अ बैड वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. देयर इज नो कम्युनिकेशन हैपनिंग. यू जस्ट डिड अ ग्रीटिंग एंड देन आप चुप हो गए, राइट? सो ये हम डेली बेसिस लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते. हमको अपने आप को ऐसे मतलब प्रिपेयर करना है कि हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में किसी के साथ भी कॉन्वर्सेशंस कर सके एटलीस्ट फॉर 10 to 15 minutes, राइट? उसको हम ओपन एंडेड कॉन्वर्सेशंस कहते हैं. तो उसके लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए what the topics you can speak on. मैं पूछता हूँ what are there, family, are everybody okay, right? डिस्कस कर सकते हो आप उससे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये पूछ सकते हो, are you liking the party? Do you know someone here? So the more questions you ask in English, the more the conversation goes ahead, right? So that is what you will be learning in the classes, how to take your conversations forward. Apart from that, you will also learn a lot of dialogues, scripts, right, which you can use on a daily basis. And then you will be talking to each other. Technically, अभी तक जितने भी ग्रुप में मेंबर्स हैं, हम लोग एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते, right? We all are strangers to each other. Disha doesn't know Roja, Roja doesn't know Anshuman, right? Same thing will happen when you are in a group of, when you are in the class. And when daily basis जब उन लोगों से बात करनी है, of course after 10-15 you all will comfortable with each other. But मेन बात ये है कहने का कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी है, सिखाने के लिए we are there to provide you the knowledge, we are there to give you the platform. Akhilesh, are you saying something?
Yeah, it looks like your voice was not coming. Yep, yeah, some network problem.
All right, is it fine now? Everyone can hear me? All right. So the main thing which you need to understand is, first अपने दिमाग से ये निकाल दो कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे. ये जो embarrassment का fear है ना, इसको निकालना पड़ेगा. Because initially आप लोग गलती करोगे, but don't take that seriously इतना, ठीक है? Because you can be flexible with your grammar errors a little bit in the beginning, but it is always better to have a proper grip on your grammar so that you don't make such kind of errors. But initially अगर आप बात करते करते आपको लगता है कि आप ग्रामर में एरर कर रहे हो, प्रोनाउंसिएशन में एरर कर रहे हो, डोंट वरी, जस्ट स्पीक एंड कन्वे योर प्रॉपर, जो भी आपको कन्वे करना है इन्फॉर्मेशन, वो कन्वे करो इंग्लिश में, ठीक है? तो दिमाग से ये निकाल दो कि लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. बिकॉज हर कुछ चीज सीखने से पहले फेलियर्स आते हैं. सो टेक 100 days चैलेंज कि 100 दिन तक मैं गलतियां करूंगी, पर मुझे बोलना है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, ठीक है? मुझे रुकना नहीं है. Second thing is have patience and practice. You will definitely learn the language. It is not that difficult. Very easy language. चाइनीज पता है कितनी मुश्किल है? लोग जर्मन सीख जाते हैं, चाइनीज सीख जाते हैं, इतनी मुश्किल लैंग्वेजेस सीख जाते हैं. इंग्लिश तो फिर भी हमें पता है, हम आसपास अपने आसपास सुनते रहते हैं, हम इंग्लिश में मूवीज देख सकते हैं जो हमें इम्प्रूव करा दे हमारी लैंग्वेज, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. सो इन आवर क्लासेस you will get spoken English classes, you get VNA classes, and you get public speaking platform, okay, where you will have to talk in front of like 20-30 people, which will build the confidence, right? Because you don't have to worry कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो क्या नहीं बोल रहे हो, आपको अभी से बोलना है. You just have to take a first step कि मैं बस बोलने लग जाऊं, ठीक है? आपको डरने की बात नहीं है कि मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ सही बोल रही हूँ, because most of the people have the same kind of problem, okay, in the group. तो आप सब एक ही शिप में सवार हो, राइट? सो आप लोगों को एक दूसरे से ये नहीं सोचना है कि वो सुपीरियर है, मैं इंफीरियर हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता उसे आता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो दैट इज वेयर यू बिल्ड योर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड यू विल सी इफ यू कैन स्पीक इन द क्लास, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पब्लिक इन रियल लाइफ, राइट? कभी भी आपसे कोई स्ट्रेंजर टकर जाता है, रास्ते में चलते चलते आपसे कोई डायरेक्शन पूछ लेता है कि एक्सक्यूज मी वेयर इज दिस XYZ मॉल. अगर उसने आपसे पूछ लिया तो आप या तो उसको हिंदी में जवाब दे देते हो, या तो आप उसको बता नहीं पाते हो तो आप बोलते हो सॉरी किसी और से पूछ लो, ठीक है? आपको बस ये वाला वर्ड तो आता ही है कि सॉरी प्लीज आस्क समबडी एल्स, राइट? वो बोल के आप निकल जाते हो ताकि आपको डायरेक्शन उसको बताना ना पड़े, ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. वंस समबडी आस्क यू समथिंग, ट्राई टू आंसर इट इन इंग्लिश, चाहे थोड़ा ही हो. हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके दो इनिशियली, कोई बात नहीं, मिक्स लैंग्वेज में बात करो, ठीक है? इनिशियली आप स्टार्ट करने के लिए, टू गिव यू अ किक स्टार्ट, यू कैन यूज ऑल दीज थिंग्स, राइट? बट लेटर ऑन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड क्लासेस में क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है, उसको रेगुलर बेसिस में आप उसको लर्न करो, पढ़ो. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज यू हैव टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ लर्निंग, एंड सेल्फ लर्निंग कैन बी डन. यू डोंट हैव टू सीक अ पार्टनर फॉर योरसेल्फ. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैम आई डोंट हैव अ पार्टनर. You don't have to have a partner. You have mirror. सबके घर में शीशा है, right? So whatever is taught to you in the classes, just stand in front of the mirror and talk to the mirror. Suppose कि वो mirror में जो reflection आ रहा है वो कोई और person है, right? And just talk to that person. Simple. खुद ही सवाल करो, खुद ही जवाब दो. This is an exercise. Looks funny, but actually works. Okay? So you can do that. Try reading a lot of newspaper. जितना पढ़ सको उतना पढ़ो. अगर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो अपनी अपनी इंटरेस्ट लेवल का कोई चीज पढ़ो. जैसे कि किसी को अगर बॉलीवुड की न्यूज में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है तो जस्ट गो ऑन द बॉलीवुड पेज एंड रीड, पर इंग्लिश में पढ़ो उसको, ठीक है? किसी को स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो स्पोर्ट्स के इतने सारे आर्टिकल्स निकलते हैं, आपको न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोगों के पास, सबके पास गूगल है, राइट? सो आप लोग गूगल ऑन करो, put sports article, latest sports articles, you will get a lot of articles. Try to read them on a daily basis, okay? Whatever is your interest area, उसके हिसाब से आप articles उठाओ और पढ़ो. Reading will give you a lot of knowledge, lot of vocabulary. आपका presence of mind खुलेगा, आपको general knowledge होगी तो आप लोगों से बात कर पाओगे. पर अगर आपकी general knowledge weak है तो obviously आपको बात करने में भी दिक्कत आएगी, because हमें generally जब हम conversation करते हैं तो हम अपनी फील्ड की कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं करते, हम इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं ज्यादा, ठीक है? वेदर, पार्टी, मूवीज, पॉलिटिक्स, ये सब बातें करते हैं, है ना? तो अब जब ऑफिशियल सिचुएशन में हो तब तो ठीक है, आप ऑफिस के जो भी काम के रिलेटेड बात करोगे वो ठीक है, बट उसके बाद भी आपको नॉर्मल बातें करनी है ना, तो इसलिए हम हिंदी में करते हैं. और तुम्हारे घर में क्या खाना बना था आज, कल वाली पार्टी कैसी लगी तुमको, ये सारी बातें हम करते हैं इधर उधर की, इसी को हमने इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना है. It's very simple. You just need simple practice, patience. Right? Any questions?
Let's ask the questions one by one, Rima. Okay.
Yes.
So hi, Roja. Roja, you said that you're working somewhere and you also trying to prepare for air hostess.
Yes.
Have you like participated in any interview, any training, or like any institution you taken training, or have you been any interview as of now? Like, have you appeared in any interview?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, Roja, have you appeared in any company's interview? Yep.
Have you
Roja,
given any interviews, Roja?
Hello.
आपने
Yep.
कोई interviews दिए recently?
Yes. I can.
I think there's some network issues from our side.
Roja, there is some network problem. That is why voice is not coming to us. Okay. So we have
Not
Anshuman.
able to
Anshuman,
not able to hear, sir.
you did not attend any interview?
Not able to hear.
Not able to hear.
Akhilesh, can you type her a message?
Okay. Okay.
राजा नीचे मैं चलता हूँ.
Okay. Roja, read the message. Roja, have you appeared? Roja, you can check the message. Till then, I will be talking to Anshuman. Anshuman, you are working as an intern, right? Or have you completed your study?
Sorry, sir, I do not understand.
Have you completed your study, your degree, your graduation, or are you working like in it's some break in your study, then you only working with as an intern?
I have break. I am pursuing, sir. Gym BCom, sir.
BCom.
Yeah.
Which year? Okay, so
Second
you
year.
have okay, you're doing BCom. Okay, and you're doing this on what basis you got selected in this internship? Have you done any travel tourism or you
Yeah, I have done to my certificate course on the Taj JML Palace also. Have to prepare the charity test also that Taj का तो test ही test है एक Tata test के नाम से. That they have to join this thing and they have to the learning of the 4 months also. They have the 3 months of the training also session and 1 month of the practical also that one. What types of the service also this and your palace also that.
got it. So you joined that course, then probably
Yeah,
got
I have
selected, right?
joined the course also. Then participant of
You
also
want
the palace also.
okay, you want to explore your future in this industry, hospitality and this industry
Yeah,
only, right?
and my future
Perfect. You want to make a future. Yep. It's a good industry. It will definitely have a good future. Right now, it is disturbed. The business is disturbed because of the travel and tourism industry is disturbed because of the COVID-19. A lot of industries are also disturbed, but the impact on this industry is very, higher side. So don't worry. Once things will improve, you will also get a lot of chances to your choice of job. Till then, you complete your education. Whatever you're doing, your BCom, that is also very important. And also, I would advise you to control your rate of speech. Start practicing on, reading practice first. You just start slowly reading. Take a book of hospitality industry and then start reading it. Do not jump into the words one by one. Okay. So normally, as an Indian, we have a high rate of speech because of we have a wrong pronunciation of the correct.
Okay.
We do not pronounce the words correctly. That is why we speak very fast. However, if you see the native English speaker, they speak very slow because their pronunciations are correct. So I would
Okay.
advise you to speak bit slow and read a lot, do a lot of practice in terms of a newspaper you have your hospitality books, or you can buy any good books which can help you. Okay, you looks like you have a confidence, but again, if you speak very fast, if you go very fast, if you do not have patience, how would customer would not like you, your interviewer would not like you, because your industry is all about the experience. If you give a good customer experience to your guest, they will like you, and once they will like you, they will definitely like the hospitality of this hotel, then they will come again. So in that case, you will get more clients, more customer, and the management will like you. So your industry is all about the customer experience, the hospitality, the interaction, the soft skill, the customer service part. These things you need to work upon. Okay, alongside your English, along with your English, you need to work on your soft skills part, your customer service skills part, and your bit of patience things. Lot of things you need to learn.
Akhilesh,
Okay.
Roja wants to ask something.
Yep.
Yes, Roja, you were raising your hand. रोजा अनम्यूट करो, आपको कुछ पूछना था.
Bro, what is the name of the product? What is the name, Rima, of the product? Rocha.
Roja, yes.
Rocha. Hi, Roja. Okay. Hi, Roja. Is that time the voice?
Roja.
Okay, Roja, I've asked to have you appeared in any interview, Roja. Now you're telling something. Go ahead, please.
She's not able to unmute herself.
I see. Okay, no problem. Okay, we have few new member, I guess. Somebody joined with this model name is coming ASIS_Z01. What is your name? And hi, Sweta and Sonal. Sweta, good evening. We joined a bit late. We wanted to introduce you. We are Gurgaon-based training and development company named CX Hire. We provide English speaking and communication improvement classes online. So Sweta, quickly, can you introduce yourself? Then Sonal, you also.
Sir, my name is Sonal Borse. I am from Telgaon, but education purpose I am in Pune. Now I am final year civil engineering student.
Okay, more. Let's talk about more. What is your education? Are you working professional? Are you, or what are your future plans of study or work?
Sir, I am a student, final year civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Okay, so you are pursuing the engineering. Okay, and you're in the final year. All right. And after engineering, you want to further study, or you want to go for a placement?
Yes, sir.
You would like to do a job, or you would like to study more?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, what would you like to do after this engineering? Are you pursuing for a management roles, or you would again go for a placement like MBA? Are you planning for it?
Actually, आवाज कट हो रही.
Okay. Now you can tell me, please. Sonal, do you have any plan for a management MBA kind of such kind of role, or MS, or some more study, or you will go for the placement? You're looking for a job after this engineering.
Yes, sir. Sir, आवाज कट हो रही है.
Okay. आपका इसके बाद क्या
Hello,
plan?
sir. Oh, hello.
ये सोनल, हमारी तरफ से आवाज बिल्कुल ठीक है. There is some problem at your side. No worries.
Sir,
So
आप
okay. Okay, you can tell me now, please. What is your further plan after this civil engineering?
Sir, post graduation and job.
Post graduation and job. Okay, so you want to do job and distance education, right? That's what you're saying. Okay. Okay, Sonal, you can plan your study also. You can plan the job also. So for job purpose, you will have a lot of opportunity in the civil engineering department, wherein you will see the
Yes,
project
sir.
management, infrastructure management, wherein you will have a good chance in the project management of the different industries. So plan
Yeah.
for it, and also you can work. What are the challenges for English? Why you want to join an English? Why you want to improve the communication?
Sir, my English speaking is very poor, so I want to learn English speaking.
Okay. Definitely, you should work on your English. So for that, you can start practicing, start interacting with the people, join, find out a mentor, find out a coach, and do a lot of practice so that you can improve. Do a lot of reading, do a lot of speaking practice and reading practice. Then writing practice also important, and listening as well. So if you do all these four practice, your English will definitely improve. Start watching a lot of the videos wherein people are talking in English. Create an environment around you so that you can work on this. Start working now so that by the time you will sit in for any interview with the company, so that you can impress and explain the your overall study what you have done. If you will not, if you could not speak in front of interviewer, if you are not able to present the work or study you have done, there will be problem for you in the placement. So work hard on your communication so that you can easily get a good job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hi, Sweta. Good evening. Would you like to talk? Okay. And we have SSZ010T. What is your name? I'm not because you're not logged in with your name. I guess you joined maybe by clicking on the link. What is your name? Please unmute and say something. Okay. Sweta and a new guest who joined, if you want to talk, you can share a few words. Okay, I will. Yes, Sweta, speak now. You're unmute now.
Hello.
Yes, Sweta, go ahead.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Shweta and I'm from tourism. And I just want to increase the knowledge and I just want to increase my speaking. That's why I joined this session. And that's enough.
Rima, there was some.
Could not understand. Could not hear properly.
Two voices coming. Is that the case?
No, not two voices, but her voice was very like it was cracking. I could not understand clearly.
Sweta, maybe some kind what happens. There should be very good internet in terms of Wi-Fi kind of network. That is why sometimes.
Can you please mute your audio? I can speak.
Everyone is muted. Everyone is muted.
Just a minute. We can just check for other. Roja, please mute your speaker when you're not speaking. And Sweta is on. Okay, Sweta, now Paramjeet. Yes, Sweta, now you can go ahead. I have done for you.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Yep.
I'm Shweta and I'm pursuing travel tourism and in Delhi at Lajpat Nagar. I just want my skills and more visible, so that's why I joined this session.
Cool. Okay, just a little bit I could understand. You're Sweta from Lajpat Nagar. You're pursuing travel and are you doing from Frankfurt or doing the Delhi University?
No, I'm pursuing from Stalac Institute of Travel.
I see. And how many years of course is this?
No, it's just a few 10 months only. Duration of the course is only 10 months.
10 months. Okay, it's a diploma kind of course, and you're learning the aviation and hospitality.
And I'm also doing my graduation, and I'm final year student, and almost my course has been done.
Perfect. Good. Fair enough, Sweta. Sweta, we are also the hiring partner of Frankfurt and Aptech and AHA. We understand this industry very well in terms of the cabin crew, flight steward, and the ground staff role. So if you're doing the diploma in the study, travel, tourism, and aviation industry, work hard on your soft skills, work hard on your customer skills, work hard on your overall personality also, because all these 3-4 things will be majorly counted when you will go for the interview. They measure everything, they even measure weight also of the candidates. So it's very important for you to maintain overall personality. Along with, of course, you need to have a very elegant English speaking classes. Today there is some network problem. However, I would like to invite you in another sessions also in the live session so that you can learn a lot of English speaking tips and techniques from us so that it can help you to improving your communication. To improving your communication, you need a daily practice, at least 1 to 2 hour practice, so that you can eliminate your fear or any agitation which we have. We do provide voice and accent classes also, which is very important for travel and tourism, and especially for the cabin crew, because your accent should be very, very elegant.
Yes.
All right, perfect. We have Paramjeet. Hi, Paramjeet. Good evening. Sorry, Paramraj. Apologize. I apologize. Hi, Param. How are you? Thank you, Shweta, for your time that you unmuted. Hi, Param. Good evening.
Hello.
Yes, Param. Hi.
Hello. This is not Param. Sorry. This side Aman. Param is my son's name. He joined his class from the Zoom ID. So.
Oh, I see. No problem. Your name?
I am Amandeep.
Hi, Amandeep. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, please go ahead, Amandeep. Yeah. You wanted to you joined with late, just wanted to introduce. We are the CX Pilot. We are Gurgaon-based training and development organization. We provide communication improvement classes. We do have British Council and Cambridge certified trainers who provide online classes for English. We do provide voice and accent, public speaking, and soft skills classes. So we work on the upgrading the skills of the participants who's looking for the job, who want to go for a higher study. We do provide IELTS coaching also, somebody who wanted to go abroad and somebody who wanted to learn further study, wanted to go work also. So we are the platform wherein you can teach any kind of communication wherein you look something. So what is your, Aman, since you are on this platform, would like to understand from you that what exactly you're looking from us so that we can answer your queries.
I want to join the classes to improve my English speaking.
Yes,
Can you hear?
Yes, I can.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I want to join English classes. My English is not so good, so I want to speak like difficult words with includes my English would be better to join some good companies. I am an education counselor and I am working. I am working at Chandigarh.
Okay.
And I want to improve my English to,
I got it. So as an education.
Yeah.
So as an education counselor, it's very important that you should have very good English so that you can do the good counseling to the students. You can, explain them about the university. You can explain them about the courses. And Chandigarh and Punjab is one of the hub for the education industry. You have a lot of business of education there. So it's a good choice that you wanted to learn. Reema, would you like to give some tips to Aman for the education counselor? She wanted to improve on the English and probably she is looking to be fluent speaker.
Yes, sure. Hi, Aman. I am
Hello,
Reema.
Reema.
So,
Hi.
Aman, as you said that you are education counselor, right? So it is on a daily basis. You might be getting a lot of people who interact with English with you, right? So one thing you said, I want to learn some difficult words and all. So before you learn difficult words, you need to have confidence in your fluency first, okay? And the fluency will only come when you speak on a daily basis, okay? So try to get into the environment first, because of the lack of environment now, we don't actually get the confidence and we feel that our English kharab hai. But whatever you're speaking, I heard you are quite good. You're not that bad, but you just need to, have that confidence and speak very clearly, very, spontaneously in front of people, right? Practice on a daily basis. Communicate more and more in English. Most probably with, someone whom you don't know. Like strangers के साथ जितना हम बात करते हैं, because बहुत ही ज़्यादा it is not very like पक्का नहीं पता होता कि वो आगे से what that person will ask you a question, right? So it is very efficiently, अगर आप बात करना चाहते हो तो it is important that आप स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ, जिनको आप नहीं जानते हो, उनसे आप बात करो, राइट? एंड ये चीज हमें डेली बेसिस पे तो मिलती नहीं है, हम किसके साथ जाके बात करें? सो फाइंड आउट अ प्लेटफॉर्म. सो our platform gives you the same thing. Okay, so what is the benefit of this platform is that you will get to learn in a group, and in that group you will have similar kind of people. What I feel is that you belong to an upper intermediate level. Okay, you are not a beginner, but you need to brush up on your grammar a little bit. You need to brush up on your sentence formations, learn some normal basic phrases. Okay, some basic
Yes.
which you can use on a daily basis. Try to think in English. Okay, the more you think in English, you will be able to efficiently speak and quickly, spontaneously. वो जो presence of mind होता है ना, वो हमारा काम करना चाहिए when we are talking to someone. So
Okay.
even if we get stuck somewhere, बोलते बोलते अगर हम एक word भूल गए, even if we get stuck, we should know how to just quickly get back to another sentence and just logically explain करो उसी को ही in some different word. उसको paraphrasing कहेंगे, right? So just try to paraphrase the sentence जो भी आपके दिमाग में था, excluding the word जो आपको नहीं याद आ रहा है. That is how you need to do, and for that you need a lot of practice. Okay, your son is studying in your son's name is Param, right? So in which class?
Yeah. I have 3 kids.
Okay.
My son is in 4th class. I have two daughters and 1 son.
Okay, so who's the elder one?
Elder one is Simran. She's in 10th standard. And my younger daughter's name is Ekam.
Okay,
Sorry?
that's nice. Ekam is in which class?
Simran is in 10th standard.
And Ekam?
Ekam is in 8th class.
Okay, that's nice. So
and my son, yes.
Nice partners at your home. You don't have to go anywhere else. Your kids can speak in English, right? Of course, their English will be much more better than what you're talking about. So on a daily basis, try to speak to them, sit with them, communicate about something like the basic topic. So how was the weather today? What was your class like? What do you want to do in future? Okay, what do you think about me? Describe me. Or just try to have a conversation on basic simple topics. Okay, and try to speak to them. Okay, tell them to ask you some questions suddenly and then try to answer. So it is best thing if you have someone at home to speak to, or just on a daily basis also try to communicate in English only with them. Okay, so that will create an environment for you and you will see the difference apne aap hi. Try to read a lot of books, or if you don't like reading, then watch some English documentaries or something in English, maybe movies, but don't watch it for entertainment, watch it for learning. On the subtitles, like switch on the subtitles. You know how to put the subtitles on, right? A lot of movies have their subtitles, so you can switch on the subtitles and try to read what they are saying. People usually don't understand accented voice, right? Accented English nahi samajh aati easily. Usko samajhne ke liye the best thing is that you start watching movies with subtitles. Okay? Don't think that it is for your entertainment. Think that you are learning. You want to understand ki wo bol kya rahe hai. You just want to understand the situation, right? So that is how you will improve your English, because vocabulary will come only when you read. Try to read some news. Try to go through a lot of articles on a daily basis. Google on karo and search latest news, and then read the news, latest ones. Okay, whatever you like. Maybe 1 or 2 news in English you can just read through, and then take out some vocabulary from them, because news has a lot of good, business English they use. Okay, they don't use casual or normal English, they use business English. So you will be able to come across a lot of words which you can use on a daily basis. So जो भी words आपने jot down किए होंगे उस particular article से, उन्हीं words को अपने sentences में बनाने की कोशिश करो. Okay, that is the practice which you have to do. Even in the classes we do such kind of activities that we give participants a news link and we ask them to read. Okay, once they read, then I ask them to speak speak on the topic, just a summary, just to make me understand to read news में आपने क्या पढ़ा. Okay, that is how the practice goes on. So the more you do your self learning, along with if you find a platform from where you can get knowledge or where you can speak, it will be better for you and you will be able to learn it very quickly. Okay, so these are some tips from my side. If you can just practice them, you will definitely see a difference. Okay,
Sure, I'll do. Thank you, Rima.
Yeah,
thank you.
thanks, Rima.
Any other questions from anyone else?
Yep. Let me ask this one by one. Okay, so guys, you can, what Rima was telling, that copy those phrases which is used in the documentary, which is used in the movie. So if you watch those English movie or the documentary or the news channel, copy those speakers for how they're speaking and copy the phrases and use in the real time. Okay, that word they're talking like this, so that you can use it. So I would like to talk to guys. Now we're heading towards the closure. It's already, we started around 7:15. So I would like to talk to Ruchi Kanodia, who joined us first, one of the youngest participant today, and Disha. Hi Ruchi, you have any question today? Ruchi, I would advise you that you do a lot of practice of English speaking, where you just completed your 12th, I guess, right? You're doing BSc, right? Ruchi Kanodia, you there? Hi Ruchi, do you have any question now? Okay. And we have okay. Sweta, do you have any question? I hope you will apply very soon for the new jobs when you have the good, environment. May probably in next 2-3 months, the travel industry will start hiring. So make yourself, ready, prepare yourself, speech, interview preparation, all these things you need to do it. So that in another 2-3 months, the travel industry will definitely hire. The hotel industry will also hire employee, because of the lot of setback happened now. But I'm sure now in Delhi hotels are in operation, so we'll definitely see a lot of requirements. So do you have any question in terms of the interview preparation, in terms of the any grooming part? You want to know anything? And I hope you're applying with airlines in the domestic and international. Okay, guys, do you have any question? Sonal, Disha, do you have any question?
No, sir.
All right, cool. All right. Ruchi, do you have any question now? Anshuman, do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
All right, perfect, good, fair enough. All right, guys, so that would be all for today. You can join again today. A few of our participants joined a bit late. I would like to arrange a call back tomorrow from our education counselor, Margaret. She will be explaining more about us. So you can join our live batches also. And in case you have any queries, in case you want to improve, one thing I would suggest you, whether you're looking for the hotels job, you're looking for hospitality, you're going for the first job after the civil engineering, or even you are the educational counselor, communication is one thing which really helps us to grow in life, which really helps company, the international company, IT and non-IT, both the organization do prefer the excellent communication talents, because they need somebody who can explain their product and services. They need somebody who can deliver the given task. That's why they will immediately hire you. Your package will definitely be revised, and the chances of growth will definitely increase. So whatever you're doing in terms of your study, do not underestimate this the communication thing, because in multinational cities, in metro cities, and even in abroad, this is the only thing which will be counted first. So business English is very important. Even you in working in India in multinational cities, and even you wanted to go abroad, then obviously it should require a very good and elegant English. So that is why I'm saying every day do 1 or 2 hours practice, in case, because you're looking for a job. A lot of people, apart from the Aman, I would say, are fresher or the new person who's starting their life. So it's very important for you to work very hard on your communication. Join any platform, find out new people, take interest in others also. Do read more books. Stop watching a lot of entertainment things. Make a balance of entertainment and the learning habits, so that you can utilize your time wisely. Do not just waste, but utilize your time, because at the time of placement, this will be really counted if you can impress, because you will only get 10, 20, 30 minutes to talk to the interviewer. And in those 30 minutes, in those 20 minutes, you have to impress. So how you can impress? By only talking. There is no other way to impress the interviewer, because how good you answer the question, that's all will come once you do the practice. So before you go for the interview, do a lot of practice session within your network, within your friends, and create a environment nearby you, so that every day You talk to yourself, you talk to your friends in English only. Whether they laugh on you, it's completely fine. Sometimes it looks awkward, but it's okay. It will look awkward for a certain period of time, but after a 6 months, a year, it will become a habit. Then they will start copying you. Oh wow, wonderful! That person is speaking good. So make yourself an environment, create an environment around you of this, and study. English is a language. Don't think is that's a subject or a degree or the code. It is a language only. Okay, it is a language. Do study the other your skills are very important. Whatever you're doing, graduation, BCom, BTech, engineering, software engineer, or education industry में आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो, that is very important because hard skills are very important. Communication will only add value in your life, so that you can go for the interviews. Okay, so that would be all. In future you will definitely get a call, and I would request you to write a feedback also about us in case you like the session on the group, so that you can encourage others. And apart from that, we will send you the link also of the Facebook and about Google, so that you can share some feedback about us. And our mission is to give the more empower to all of you, so that you can learn, because now this is online, right? Earlier it was you have to go to Southex, you have to go to Bangalore, you have to go to Mumbai, Pune to learn, and go to Chandigarh physically, right? Now it is easy for girls also, just not need not to travel. You just can learn by sitting at home, because of it is possible because of internet. It is possible because of this education revolutionary thing happened. So utilize this time wisely, and I hope I wish you good luck for all of you. Okay, thank you so much for all of you for your time. Wonderful. Have a pleasant evening. Thanks, Rima, for joining. All right, guys, that would be all. We can now close the meeting, and we will connect once again. All right, thank you, all of you. Wonderful time you had. All right, bye-bye. Take care of yourself.